Hi guys, welcome to another video. So we've had a parcel come from Tobe Glam and it is their transfer gel. Ooh, I've heard some really good things about this foil glue gel. So I'm dying to see what it's like because it's got a lot to live up to compared to the one that I usually use. So it comes in a kit like this. You can also buy just the transfer gel on its own in a pack of 2, or you can buy it in a kit like this, and I don't think, if I remember rightly, there's a lot of difference in the price, so you might as well go for the kit. So you've got your preparation before application, how to use. It does say apply a thin layer of transfer foil gel and cure in an LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds and a UV lamp for 120 to 180 seconds. You've got ingredients, warning, storage. I'm so excited to try this, guys. So you get your box of foils. This one is all different roses. They've got 4 different foil packs to choose from. I think there's animal print, floral, rose, and there's another one as well. I can't think what the other one is. Oh, I can't think what the other one is. But yeah, there's 4 anyway. So these are all different rose prints. We'll have a quick little look at them. So we've got this one. So these are all on a clear backing. Pretty one. I like that. We've got this one. This one. That's a pretty one. I like the little blue flowers as well. I like that. That's a really pretty one. I think we'll definitely use that one today. Keep that one out. And that one's pretty as well. That's got all different flowers in the background as well. I like that one too. This one's nice with the polka dot in the background. I like that. That's cool. I'm seeing a kind of vintage design with that. Vintage nails. Another one. Polka dot in the background. Pretty. This one's giving me kind of vintagey vibes as well. And we've got this one. Well, that's nice as well. I like the blue flowers in that one too. Oh, I really like that one. I think I might use that one as well today. I'm not sure yet. And then we've got this one. So, like I said, these are all on a transparent background. I do like these kind of foils because you can just cut out and use what you want. But I've also pulled out a full cover transfer foil out of my collection because I want to show you what it's like transferring a full cover. So I've pulled that one out as well. So let's have a look at the glue gel, shall we? So they come in their own little box. Again, you've got instructions on the back, warning and ingredients. You get 2 massive, and I mean massive, 15ml bottles as well. How cute are those labels? I'm loving the labels. Again, how to use on the back, ingredients and warning. I like these. I'm so excited to try these. I'm like a big kid. So I've already applied some colour on my swatch stick. Now it does say on the directions, apply a base coat and cure in an LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. And then apply a thin transfer foil gel and cure in an LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. Now, I have watched a video on this and someone did try it applying base coat first and they got a better transfer not going in with the base coat. So, sorry to be glam, but I'm not going to apply a base coat. I've applied my colour. Now, the best way to get the best transfer with foil glue is to remove that tacky layer off the gel polish. Do not leave that on. So, tacky layer removed. Which one are we going to use first, do you think? I think maybe this one over that there, like that. Yeah. That's what I reckon. Yeah. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of this transfer gel. Make sure that you get right down these sides as well, guys. Because if you miss any of that tip, it's not going to transfer. So a nice, smooth, even layer of that. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And then we're going to stick this foil down. Stick it down the middle first. Guys, look at that transfer. That has transferred perfectly. Not one little bit is missing. Look, let's look at the foil. Look at that. Wow, that is amazing. Can't believe that, guys. That transfer. Oh my days. Let's try another one, shall we? Cure that for 30 seconds. Right, guys, who's ready for this one? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that transfer, guys. Wow. Perfect. This transfer gel is an absolute game changer. Should we have a look at this again? Look at that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Wow. So now we're going to really put it to the test and see what it's like for a full transfer. So, let's see how this goes. Cure that for 30 seconds. Right, let's try this. Guys, I can see that breaking away already. This is going to be a full transfer. I can see it now. Wow. Look at that. Guys, this is the best foil glue I've ever tried. And I've tried quite a few different brands now. The best. So if anyone is struggling with transfer foil, then this is the one that you need. Again, look at that. Full transfer. Apart from these little bits here, which is just where it's wrinkled trying to get it around the corners. Other than that, look at that full transfer. Amazing product that is. It really is amazing. Look, there's no bits missed. Wow. I am well impressed. So let's get these top coated and we'll have another look at them very quickly. Right, there we are, guys. That is the swatches. I am well impressed with those. So I did give them a coat of the Tobe Glam top coat over the top. That top coat is really nice as well. It's really, really shiny. Look at that. Can you see how shiny it is? Super glossy. And I do get asked quite a lot about foil glue. What is the best foil glue? What's the best way to use it? And this is definitely by far the best foil glue I've tried. Hands down. Amazing product. So not only have I tried the glue gel now, I've tried their polygel as well, which is also my favourite polygel. I can see Tobe Glam coming so far, guys. They're going to do so well because they've got some amazing products. Their polygel formula is the best formula I've tried. Their clear polygel is the best clear I've tried. And now the foil glue is the best foil glue that I've tried. So, yeah. If you've not tried Tobe Glam, guys, you definitely need to try their products because they're amazing. So this is available on Amazon and it's also available on their website. I have got a 15% off discount code, which is only available to be used on their website, which is GG15. So I'll leave the links to this on Amazon and I'll leave the link to it on their website as well. And I'll pin that in my comments. So if you want to head over there and check it out, you can do. They've got some really, really good products and I'm really enjoying using them. So I want to say a massive thank you to Tobe Glam for sending this out. Thank you so much. Game changer, absolute game changer this is. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing as well. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.